taught you to heat the color of your skin to such a...
Give us credit for being able to use our minds. And with people becoming conscious of themselves, determined to use their minds, you do not know to what extent they can go. Liberate the minds of men, and ultimately you will liberate the bodies of men.
So it's very hard for I and I as Rasta now, with the way on the West now comes to Africa, you know. It's very hard, them not understand. Because right now if you tell the people, them say, boy, I and I look forward to Africa and go back to Africa. Oh, me not going to Africa, you know, see the people them down there suffer and mag away. And because that's the picture what them paint, that's the picture what them show them on the television all the while. But anytime them show you anything about Africa, them show you the bad things. So our people down here is the teaching that them get, you know. But if you go on that plane going to Africa, it's mostly white people you see upon it, you know. 1 and 2 black men you see upon it. It's mostly white people you say I go back to Africa. Well, if Africa is so bad, why are these people going there? South Africa become beautiful in the for them look makeup wear than New York. You know? Because Africa have everything. They have the diamond, the gold, the pearl, the rubies, everything is down there, you know. Everything down there. So our people get the teachings that we mustn't look forward to Africa. So that's the teaching of our people. That's why we end up with a God where we don't know about. Because if the Chinese did slave us, we would end up with the Chinese God. But through the Christian slavery, we end up with the Christian God. But through, I know that my language is coming out of Africa. Me look to Africa or Ethiopia for my God. I know business where you want to look for. But if you talk these things and tell these people, them say, you know, say I'm crazy. What we really are talking about? Because the 2017 era of brainwash education where them get from the slave master, it's not so easy to come out of them. It's in them same way. And you thought these things, oh, he's a blasphemer. Why? Because them get caught up in the Bible. Because the Bible is the biggest enemy to I and I people. The biggest enemy we have is the Bible. Because everything where they have said, almost everything out of the Bible come out of Africa. But when those people wasn't in Africa, who write it? None of them wasn't in Africa. So where did they get those history from to give us a God and give us a Bible to read, to educate our people?
The Bible thing with black people, the biggest one I have is like, it like sedate them because it's like they really taught to sit around like something gonna happen, and nothing can happen if you're just sitting around staring at the sky. But the next man out there working and you sitting around for something to change. You know, I think that's the worst teaching that the Bible gave black people, to sit down and accept less and take abuse and just hope for a better day. We can't just sit there and hope for a better day. You have to move. You have to move to what you want. Yeah. The miracle what them look for is an illusion. God is gonna come and save the world. It's an illusion. You have to save yourself if you have a God to save you. Save yourself and then him can save you. And the next thing, why is it wrong for a black man to have a God that look like him? If everybody else got a God that
well, if I have a God that doesn't look like I, in Jamaica we'd say, the pitney there is a jacket. You know what I mean? Yeah, my father have to look like me. My father have to have my color. He have to look like I.
No, it's true though, but every country...
And every other man have the right to have film God. I don't respond to you, because that's why I now force Rastafari upon no one. Because I know I'm coming from the lineage, I'm coming from the egg, I'm coming from the seed, I'm coming from the genes, straight out of Africa, straight Ethiopian, without any apology. In the world, but not of the world. I there Jamaica here, but my meditation is not here. It's just because Jamaica come like it's a part of Africa. You know, with the trees and, you know, majority black people, and, you know, Rasta still a hold it, you know. Don't feel like say Rasta pop down. Rasta no pop down, you know. Because there are certain brethren. If it's even one or two I and I would hold it up. And we have more than that. We have a whole heap of brethren who still are maintain that. But you will never drive down the road and see them. You will never go to a party and see them. You will never go to a dance and see them. Some of them never come to a bingy. Some of them just sit up in the hills. And them all them live it and all them Quran said way, but I know I forgot and visit them.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.